What's up, guys? Pandora, Postcard, Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a great day today. If you're here for the very first time, please smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, real quick, I want to just go through this. And I didn't realize a lot of people don't know what to do when you first get started. Once you join, once you actually make your payment in DWP, Digital Wealth Pros, what you can do in your back office. Okay, what you should do. Now, everybody that joins me, of course, once I receive my payment, I actually will have a one-on-one with you guys, and I will ensure I get you onboarded by walking you through a few steps to make sure you set up your payment methods and everything correctly, okay? But it was an interesting question, so I saw people asking this question in a post, so I thought I'd just do a quick video on it. But if you're here for the first time and you never heard about Digital Wealth Pros, the link is in the description. Go check it out. www.getpaidfromhome.info. You can go see basically all the opportunities that I'm involved in. But this particular program right here is what we call an automated system generating commissions of $200, $400, $800, and $1,500 commissions on autopilot. They have a sales team that's going to close all the sales for you. Okay, so you never have to worry about speaking to people, because on this particular page right here, is an 800 number for your prospects to call to ask any questions that they may have and to actually get enrolled. And all they're going to do is give the call center your user ID so they'll know who to refer them to so that they can pay you. Okay, my user ID is 442-89634. All right, so this one is member to member. You're going to be paid directly from the person that signs up with you. There's no middleman here. This is digital products, information products that teach you how to make money online. This is the system that I'm using right here. It keeps everything simple. There's a video right here that you would watch that explains the program. And to get further information, there is a webinar presentation that breaks it all down. And then there's a short video on the products and the back office. So you will be aware of what to expect once you actually log into your back office, okay? So if you're looking for a way to make money online and never want to speak to your prospects to answer any of their questions, this would be the program for you. They handle all the sales process for you, okay? Perfect opportunity. There's no pass-ups with this. There's no monthly fees. You're going to earn direct commissions, okay? No one-ups with this. Now, if you did not purchase the level, okay, that someone else buys, in other words, an example would be, if you decided you want to come in and purchase that $400 product, it's going to be $497, okay, one time, no monthly fees. And then someone actually goes to your link and they decide they want to buy the $800 product, which is $997, right? You would make 400 of that, of the 800, okay, and the other 400 would pass up, all right? That's kind of how that would work. All right, guys, but this one right here, I like to say that it has low ticket, mid ticket, and high ticket, okay? Multiple income streams with one system, okay? Do you realize you can make $1,500 commissions? And let's say someone signs up with you and they don't purchase the $1,500 commissions, they would only make $200, and the other $1,300 would pass up to you. Okay? So this is a powerful program, and you don't have to talk to people. So 95% of it is done for you. The system sells itself, and then anything else that's questionable that someone may have, they'll call the call center and they'll close the sales for you. Okay? And you will know this because the call center is going to email you when they have one of your prospects on the phone. They will email you and let you know, hey, we've got a prospect on the line that we're talking to, one of your prospects, and they'll email you. Then the next email, if the person decides to sign up, the company, DWP, will email you and say, hey, you just got a new member and you have money on the way. Okay, that's how that works. So at any rate, I want to talk to you about getting started. So once you actually pay, you want to log into your back office, right? You log in. So let's look at that real quick. Before we get into it, I'm going to cover the products real quick. The bronze level is digital products. Is what you're going to get. Here's the members area in the dashboard. The bronze level is that $200 product. It's going to cost you $297. Okay, so the lowest you can make in this program is $200. Okay, doesn't matter where somebody comes in. If you only come in at the bronze level for $297, you're still going to make $200. Okay, so that's the bronze. The gold is the $400 commission level is $497. Okay, all the products you get here. Then your platinum is $997, and you're able to make $800 commissions here. And it's $997. You make $800 commissions, and the diamond is the creme de la creme. All right, $1997. You're all in. You get access to all the products, and you leave no money on the table, and you're able to make $1,500 commissions here. So the diamond will include all the lower levels. Okay, if you come in at the platinum level, the $800 level, that will include all the lower levels. Okay, so the lowest you can make is $200. Okay, so let's say you just got started. You're like, okay, I'm logged in. What do I do next? So what you want to do is click on Get Started right here. As I said, I'm going to walk you through what you need to do here. So we're going to have a conversation anyway, because I'm going to run traffic for you. For everybody that comes in at that $400 level and above, I'll run traffic, but we'll have a conversation one-on-one so that we can set up your marketing plan. Okay, so anyway, you want to come here first, guys, and just click Get Started. Okay, click Get Started and go through these modules. Welcome to DWP. So if we click it, check out what happens.
Welcome to Digital Wealth Pros. My name is Tracy, and I'll be your virtual tour guide as we explore.
Okay, so you're gonna go there and follow these steps. But as I stated, I will be speaking to you so I can make sure you get everything set up correctly. Mainly, what you're gonna set up is the payments, how you want to receive your money. That is very important, right? That's the main thing we want to set up. All right, and right here says Quick Start Guide. All right, guys, so you definitely want to follow what it says here, but you and I will have a conversation. All right, guys, that's it. Mainly what I want to point out. But you get this dashboard, okay, with all your products. Whatever product you purchase will be here. So you just click on products, and it will be unlocked. As you can see, I'm all in. I have access to all the products. I am qualified to receive $200, $400, $800, and $1,500 commissions. All right, guys, that's how that goes. But the system I'm using is the one I just showed. Okay, this is the sales page. If you want description, www.getpaidfromhome.info. Click here, get a site like this. Just use my name and email as your inviter, so that I will get the credit for that. All right, and you can get a system just like this. And let me show you the capture page real quick. This is one of the capture pages, but they have another one. This one I like because it captures the name and email. But let me show you the other one that they have. Okay, here's the other one. Okay, again, these are perfect for driving traffic. Okay, see this one? This is another one as well. But they're both, either one of those will lead you over to this page right here. This is the one I'm using. It's $19.99 a month or $95. One of the two. I haven't paid for this in years, because when you refer 3 people, okay, that's paying their membership, once you get 3 that continues to pay their membership, your next month is free. But I've been getting mine free for years. Okay, so great system. Digital Wealth Pros. Instant pay is 2023. If you're looking for a way to even make just extra income, just imagine if you could get one of these a week at the $200 sale level. That's an extra $800 a month. If you could get one $400 sale a week, guys, what's that? $1,600. Okay, you see how this goes? Anything is possible if you put the effort in and take action. All right. So link is in the description. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, guys. Don't forget to like the video as well, please, and thank you. Thank you guys for checking out the video. See you on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.